It's about time you start saying no to a lot more things. My name is Gary Dean. I'm with Eye Opener Society, eyeopenersociety.podbean.com. Every day we lose a little more and more of our freedoms. They get taken away. We're being controlled more. Well, be that opposition. Stand up and just say no. That's all. Be yourself. Again, I go back to don't let the corporations bully you. Whether you're going for an interview in a job or if you have a job, make sure you lay down what it is you really want. Obviously, you're not going to get everything as far as pay, vacation, and all that, but you make it known that this is what you want and it's what you're going to ask for again as time goes on when your performance increases. Let them know that right from the beginning. Let them know that you are in charge right from the beginning of your own life. My name is Gary Dean. I'm with Eye Opener Society. EyeOpenerSociety.podbean.com.